Hi guys, so I just posted my everyday makeup tutorial, so that should be up for you guys soon. Let me know what you guys think about that. But this video is about what's inside my Birchbox. So yeah, well, this is the February edition, and so in each box it comes with like coupons. This one is for the Benefit Cosmetics mascara. And they have Rent the Runway, so that's pretty cool. And you get like 30% off. They give like a little code, and then it comes with a card to tell you like what's all inside your box. So, and this one is a nourishing face mask, Read My Lips lip gloss from The Balm Cosmetics. What else? Signature for Her English Laundry. What is that? And body lotion, because we all need a little moisturizing sometimes. Okay, so it comes with a little box. I don't know what to call this, but it's cute, right? It's pink. Everybody likes pink. So it's February on it, and inside. Okay, so this is the lip gloss from The Balm Cosmetics. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. This is the, I don't know if you can see that. The applicator. So it's pink. And then this is from, oh, the English Laundry was perfume. So it comes like in a little tube like this. And you just spray it. Smells pretty good. Okay. And then this is the Be Kind body lotion. So it comes in a little jar like this. And all of these are sample sizes. So on the card it gives you like how much the full size will be. So the full size body lotion will be $15 on the Birchbox website. Just a reminder. So this is the lotion. And oof. Oh, you guys know what lotion looks like. But yeah, it's smooth. It's not greasy. It's pretty good. Smells like mints. Not peppermints, but like spearmints, kind of. I don't know. And then this is the Amika Nourishing Mask. Oh my gosh, sorry about the lighting, guys. So this is it. So this is supposed to be like, oh, this is actually for your hair. So this is for all hair types. And it's supposed to have like a berry scent. Let's see. Yeah, so it seems really thick, like it'll be good for your hair. So yeah, so that smells good. And this is the Skin Perfection BHA liquid. It comes with salicylic acid, so you know that really helps for like acne and everything. So that's what that looks like. So I'm definitely gonna like try these out for you guys and then have a you know, a review about what I thought about it. But Birchbox is really cool for everybody that likes beauty. It comes like with like when you first sign up, you have to tell them like what you want. Like it says, oh, do you like nail polish? You're like, yeah, I like nail polish. I like lotions. And they ask you like, you know, like if you want hair stuff, what kind of hair do you have? Is it like thick or fine? Is it curly or straight? And then they just really like base off of that survey. That's what they give you in the box. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you want to see more of what's inside my Birchbox each month. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. Your computer's about to die.